Hi everyone, this A5 size version is a vertical version, and I got this around August as like an academic planner, because that's just when they came out with a new planner. So vertical version of this planner, A5, looks like this, and it in the front has these monthlies. I was able to put down some Lauren Phelps design tab tape, although I feel like I don't really use them. They just kind of exist. And I really have been enjoying using a pencil board, because when I use some washi tape or stickers or any sort of pet tape, it kind of gets bumpy. So you really need like a more solid backing in order to write properly and have like a better writing experience. So I kind of felt like this wasn't really working well for me, because it is time blocked. It has all the hours from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And each of the columns are quite small. So I guess what I'll do is I'll show you starting from the beginning. So the first week we had some black back planning I was doing. And here I used lots of stickers and some washi, and I thought that was actually kind of fun. But back planning makes it much easier because you don't know what's coming up. So here's another back planned where I'm trying to use up some of my stickers. And this is when I was getting into pet tape. And I think this is my last pre-planned spread. Or yeah, I planned it after the fact. And then once we kind of got in here, I started to really just focus on pens and washi tape. But it's really full. Like, I was writing a lot. And it seemed like every single detail that I could fit, I was trying to put into here. I'm really not that busy every single day. It just looks like it. And so every time I would look through, I kind of felt like I didn't know what to focus on. So then I tried to get into making boxes of things, highlighting things. But this started to just kind of get messy. Oh, this is my favorite spread, the rainbow spread. I really like this one. But I also felt like I wasn't getting things done. So what I think I'm going to start doing with this now is it's going to be my pre-planner. Pre-planning, like what I hope my week will look like. And what I mean by that is putting in scheduled appointments, maybe certain things that I know are coming up. And this planner only goes up until October 6th. So I'm going to have to find something else for it before the end of the year as well. I did some pre-decorating here with some Note and Wish washi tape. But yeah, so that is the plan for this now. I'm just going to be, I don't know, I guess I will put appointments in the front here. I really wanted to do some more financial tracking, like spending or bills that were due. And over here would be, so this is upcoming stuff that I needed to pay or take a note of. And then over here would be stuff that I would like my week to look like on a Sunday. I would be planning it out. So this is where I would be inserting like what classes I want to take, any appointments that I have, and then also just kind of having fun decorating it. Mostly around the perimeter is what I usually do for decoration, or like a strip of washi on the top or the bottom or the middle, and kind of have that as my brain dump, like all the things I need to do, and then pull from that the items that would need to go into my social media planner, which I've been trying to get into using stickers for it now, which is kind of fun. And also this one, which is my fun double month MUJI planner. I'm going to be tracking my fitness classes on this horizontal version. And then I think over on this fold out, it's mostly like personal things that are happening. I've been trying to rescue some of these cats, and it's been probably the worst experience of my recent life. I I don't think I'm cut out for cat rescue. It's very like mental breakdown. But this is kind of a whatever I need it to be planner. And I did a lot of journaling here when I was having some trouble, some list making, and I think this is just going to continue to evolve to be the thing that I need it to be when I have some time to work on it. But definitely like a memory keeper, and something that I can keep forever and look back on because I really like this planner. So that's my 3 MUJI planners. I don't want to give up on any of them, but I was definitely having trouble with this vertical layout because of just the limited space that it had, and feeling like I always wanted to stuff every single page full of stickers or writing or washi. But please let me know how you guys are using your planners and if things are evolving for you as the year progresses or as the year comes to an end. And if you're making big changes for 2024, I hope that you're still enjoying PLANMAS. I got a little bit off track because of this cat stuff. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the explanation of why this A5 planner from MUJI wasn't really working for me, but I'm still going to try to utilize it so it's not being wasted. I also have a couple of other notebooks that I'm going to explore, and I think this is the whole point of having YouTube videos and kind of building up this practice of journaling and planning and setting things up. It's for mental health as well. So that's the end of this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.